Guru Vibho. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Atha. Astu. Tarhi, I will just share my screen. So we look at the fifth one. So the basic verbs, atra, the basic verbs, I'll still do more talking in English and gradually try and see if aham sanskritena vaktum shaknomi nava. Astu. Mandam mandam vadishyami. So I'll speak slowly. Yadi spashtam nasti. If I'm not clear, please do not hesitate to prichhatu. Astu.
No, I think if everybody agrees, you can continue to talk in Sanskrit.
Yes, ma'am. Start slowly from today, so we can get to.
Tadeva. Ataha aham. I have access to videos, but don't know more. Zulini ji is saying. I'm just also looking at the chats here. Zulini, are you getting the mails? You would know that you're registered if you're getting mails from the Swayam group to say that this course is online now, that this week's program is online. So if any of you is not getting that, then you need to send in a mail.
To who do we send the mail?
To the NPTEL office itself.
Okay.
They have an NPTEL thing there that if you have any challenges, you can write there. So just write to them that I have registered, and if you can show them the, if you have a page or something that shows that you have registered. Astu.
Astu.
Or if you want, we can connect at the end of it. You can tell me and I'll see how I can maybe help.
Thank you.
Astu?
Astu.
Okay, that's what you'll get, a mail, a registration mail. Then you know that you're there. So let's just aham tarhi prayatnam karomi mandam mandam sanskrite vaktum tarhi shravana samskaraha bhavishyati. And yadi, if anybody is not being able to follow, please don't hesitate to ask, because this is really the beginner's level, and I want to take everybody in line and take us all together as much as possible. So if you're already advanced, it doesn't matter if you're getting to hear more English, but at least maybe the concepts will get clear because we're talking in a language that everybody commonly understands. So I will stick to the least knowledgeable in that sense, if I may say, the most beginner in for now. And mandam sanskrite adhikam vadishyami. So atra we have looked at the brief revision, anantaram how to look at some adverbs of location. So, and then to be familiar with the oft-used verbs for daily use, some of them. So my question, since many of you have already looked at this, what are some of the verbs that, there are at least 10 verbs. Dasha dhatu gana, dasha dhatavah santi. Okay. And dasha dhatu santi, ke dhatavah santi. What are the verbs that are there? Just if you can remember like that.
Vadatu.
Vadatu.
Karomi.
Khadatu. So remember they're in pairs. Remember they're in pairs.
Pashyatu.
Pashyatu, okay.
Uttishtatu.
Uttishtati.
So that's what I would suggest, let's stick to one tense or mood. Astu tari idanim vayam ajnyam kurma. Okay, so gacchatu, agacchatu, like that. Astu tari kim asti? Gacchatu.
आगच्छतु
खादतु
आगच्छतु खादतु
पिबतु
पिबतु
पिबतु पश्यतु
पश्यतु is not part of the main 10
धावतु
क्रीडतु अस्ति
धावतु
हसतु
उत्तिष्ठतु
उत्तिष्ठतु उपविशतु अनन्तरं
स्मरतु
स्मरतु अस्तु आगच्छति अनन्तरं बिफोर दैट
लिखतु
करोतु
how would you say he third person saha or bhavan or bhavati so in this kimartham we have used bhavan bhavati so it's important to understand atra bhavan bhavati adhikam asti karanam bhavan bhavati dhatu roop bhavan bhavati padayoh dhatu roopam ti bhavati like the third person so we are simplifying the extent of initial knowledge you need in order to express yourself. Ataha tatra bhavan bhavati gacchati saha sa tat gacchati. So if you know gacchati, you can express all. If you know gacchati and gacchami, now you can express it with all the different persons. Third person api asti, madhyama purusha api asti, and uttama purusha api asti. Tatra. Gacchati and gacchami with these two. Astu. Tari. So if you say saha, then gacchati. Let's just all of them. So aham actions karoti and you tell me.
गच्छामि
Gachat. Saha.
गच्छति
गच्छति
Agachati.
आगच्छति
खादति
खादति
Hadati.
पिबति लिखति
लिखति
पठति
उपविशति
Upavishati. So you can learn it like that. Upavishati.
उत्तिष्ठति
Uttishtati. Anantaram.
क्रीडति
वदति
Aham. So what I'd like us to do is, I'd like you to maybe make some sentences. Now that's open. Okay, so I will give you a verb. Aham ekam dhatu dadami. Ekam vakyam rachayantu. Sahajam vakyam. Dirgham vakyam. Yadi icchanti kurvantu. But ekam sahajam vakyam. And aham, I would also recommend that you write. Likhantu. Atra likhantu api tari saralam bhavati. Some of you can say it alone. No chit likhantu api. Then simultaneously sarve prayatnam kartum shaknuvanti. So the first prathama dhatu asti. Shrutu. Prathama dhatu gacchami.
अहं गच्छामि
Aham gacchami. So ekam vakyam kutra gacchati.
अहम उपवने गच्छामि
Okay, upavanne gacchami astu. I would like you to write down. I'd like everybody to give this a shot. That aham vakyam, aham dhatum vadami, sarve ekam vakyam rachayantu. Astu. Aham devalaye gacchami astu. Aham karyalayam gacchami uttamam.
देवालयं गच्छामि
Astu. Aham griham gacchami uttamam.
गृहं
विद्यालयं गच्छामि
अस्तु उपवने गच्छामि चित्रमन्दिरं गच्छामि उत्तमम् अहमपि आगच्छामि अहं मन्दिरं गच्छामि उत्तमम् विद्यालयं गच्छामि now we'll try and use other दिनं क्रीडालयं गच्छामि उत्तमम्
अहं गृहं
गच्छामि उत्तमम्
शालां गच्छामि
उत्तमं शालां गच्छामि उत्तमम्
क्रीडालयम् और क्रीडालये
सः प्रश्नः so that is the good question so अत्र नियमः अस्ति यत् यदा लक्ष्यं भवति गन्तव्यस्थानं यदा गच्छति गम धातोः उपयोगः भवति गच्छति कुत्र गच्छति तस्य उत्तरं द्वितीयविभक्त्यां भविष्यति सर्वदा तर्हि विद्यालयः अस्ति अहं विद्यालयं गच्छामि So the action, atra eva, the actions become very helpful. So when you're doing the actions, you do this, learn it like this. Griham gacchami, vidyalayam gacchami. So if you learn this action, you will never say this. You will never say grihe gacchami, because this action is connected. Vidyalayam gacchami, karyalayam gacchami, shalam gacchami. Uttamam, uttamam. Aham ashramam gacchami.
Aham mitrasya griham gacchami.
Uttamam, uttamam. Okay, so maybe that's the next sentence. Agami vakyam is put a shashti vibhakti with it. Kasya griham gacchati, kasya karyalayam gacchati. So one more sentence, add on that. Add on the sentences you've made. Aham kridalayam, uttamam, taradi. Praveen Mohode karyalayam, uttamam. Vinodji kananam, uttamam. Parvatam gacchami, uttamam. Now dhanyavada. Uttamam. So one more sentence. Officem, uttamam. Karyalayam, uttamam. So one more sentence now. Kasya or kasyaha. Tari shashti vibhaktehe prayogaha bhavishyati atra. Tari kasya kasyaha va griham karyalayam da gacchati. Iti mama prashnaha. Aham janakasya kridalayam gacchami, uttamam. Aham janakasya karyalayam gacchami, uttamam. Mitrasya griham gacchami, uttamam. Sahodaryaha, uttamam. Griham, uttamam. Anyat, I would like everybody to give this a shot. Atra ye santi ekam vakyam avashyam kurvantu. Karanam prayogena eva tatra bhasha vardhanam bhavishyati. Ekam likhita. So what I would recommend for you is that as you're writing it at your end, please say it aloud. Yada yada likhati tada uchchahi uktva likhantu. Uchchahi vadatu likhantu cha. Mata griham griham bhavishyati. Mata griham na bhavati, because mata, although it is an it looks like an ending shabda, it is a matra, it's a rikara ending. That intermediate stare bhavishyati. Astu. Tari aham mamma. Suchidi. Again, about just being careful about the sounds. Sanskrite mam na bhavati. You have to say mama.
Mama.
I was wondering whether to write MA.
Satyam.
Mama.
Satyam. Because otherwise it is mum. And Sanskrite mum. So this is the thing. So the moment you are not saying it right, then it is asanskritam. Satyam, mama. Ataha uktva likhantu. Tari samakale sambhashanasya abhyasaha bhavati. Lekhanasya api abhyasaha bhavati. And yada likhati tada akara dirgham brihat likhantu. Tad dirgham athva brihad likhantu. Astu. Aham mama pitrasya naiva. iPad kaha asti? iPad atra iPad kaha asti? iPad. It will not be. Tatra pitrasya na bhavati. Ekakshanam. I'll just go through the sentences. Vakyani pashyamyaham ekavadam shigram. Aham janakasya karyalayam na bhavati. Subramanya Mohode? Karyalayam. And then it's nice if you put the karyalayam. Tari ekam spashtata bhavati tatra. Arunadi, okay. Amitrasya griham sahodaryaha. Bhranti bhagini tatra sahodaryaha griham gacchami. Aham pivyarasya chitramandiram gacchami. Uttamam. Janakasya griham gacchami. Jayashri ji.
Yes.
Mitramasyam na bhavishyati.
Mitrasya. Correct. Sorry. Gacchami. And I've written Gacchami, but it's Gacchami. Okay.
So Madhavi ji tatra matra griham athva ambayaha. Ambayaha griham. Astu. Then aham mama karyalayam gacchami. Uttamam. Anantaram mama mitrasya karyalayam sahodaras. Atra Subramanyam ji. Sahodarsya. Okay, bhavishati. Bhojanalayam gacchami. Gacchami.
Okay. Okay.
Gacchami h bhavishati tatra. Aham sarkarasya. Okay, so Sanskrite sarkar na bhavati, tatra shortcut bhavati sarvakarasya. Taradi. Sarvakarasya kidalayam gacchami. Uttamam. Aham आर्यायाः कक्षां गच्छामि. उत्तमं महोदय. तत्र आर्यायाः भविष्यति. एकम् आ दीर्घं भविष्यति. तत्र मित्रस्य गृहं गच्छामि. यामिनी जी तत्र च छ अस्ति, तर्हि च छ आवश्यकम्. अहं मित्रमस्य अहं पितृस्य नगरं न, पितृस्य न भवति. ओके, बिकॉज दैट इज अ ऋकार एंडिंग वर्ड, सो इट विल बिकम becomes pita, but in the shashti it will become pittuhu griham. Okay, that's a different ending. So that's why in the intermediate a lot of these things will be addressed. So in the first one it's not easy to know kim bhavati tatra. Vidur mahoday Viduranji tatra aham mama balakasya vidya. No, mahoday tatra I just said. So the moment you say gacchami, the action is this, which means that the verb, the word will end with the vibhakti that has this sound in it. So, vidyala
Yam.
Yam. So it'll be vidyalayam gacchami. So just if you learn this, just this action will remind you always. The moment you're saying gacchami, reverse it and do this. The moment you said gacchami as a verb, then you reverse it to do this action.
Okay.
That is great.
Teacher is Arya, gent. If the teacher is gent, can we say Aryasya or Aryaya?
No. If it is a gent, then Arya, then Aryasya.
Aryasya.
If it is a lady, then Arya, and then
Aryaya.
Aryaya. Uttamam. Astu. Then Anantaram Mama Pitrasya Karyalayam tad na bhavati. iPad madhi asti. Aham Ramasya Apanam gacchami. Uttamam. What is Brihad? Brihad is big. Asti. Aham Shri Ramasya Mandiram gacchami. Uttamam. Kutra. Okay, that'll be the next one. Brihad is greater. See, Brihad is big. It's not greater. Aham mama balakasya vidyalaya. Aham mitrasya griham gacchami. Aham Matulasya Matragraham. Ore baba gacchami. Uttamam. Aham mama putre griham gacchami. So Bhranti ji, if you say aham mama putre means I am already, when you're saying aham mama putre means in my son.
Putrasya.
Uttamam. Aham mama putrasya griham gacchami.
Okay.
Aham gurukula Subramanya Mohdaya. Tatra you have written ashram gacchami na bhavishyati. Because ashrama is the word. So it will become ashramam. Because ashrama. You already have a ma for the complete word. So ashrama. So when you're adding the last it is an extra ma. So ashramam gacchami.
Ashramam gacchami.
And if you're writing gurukula, so if you want to say gurukula ashrama, then you'll have to put it together gurukula ashramam.
Gurukula, Sandhi.
Gurukula
ashramam.
Uttamam. Gacchami. Uttamam.
Uttamam.
Let's try Uttamam. Let's aham ashramam gacchami satyam. Aham mama chikitsalayam gacchami. Uttamam. Nama sthitihi uttama nasti, but bhavati vaidya asti. Shilpa ji?
Vaidyam.
So chikitsalayam. So that's what. So what is happening is, see, the moment you say this aham chikitsalayam, there is an image in the head. Now you don't know, the listener, we're wondering, are you going there as a patient or are you going there? Both are possible. Yes. So I said uttamam, but then I realized if it's the patient version, then the paristhiti is not uttamam. Vakyam uttamam ki to paristhiti uttamam. That's why I hesitated. Then I said, okay, vaidya asti ched uttamam. Thank you. Ashramam gacchami. Shopping. Usha ji, shopping na bhavati. Shopping, you have to add the So?
Shoppingam.
Uttamam. विमानालयं गच्छामि. उत्तमम्. अहं लेखस्य लिखामि. लेखस्य लिखामि मतलब what would you want to say?
Lekham.
Lekham, exactly.
Is it an article?
Lekham likhami.
Articles.
Article.
Article मतलब
It's Lekham.
So lekha is the word. Lekhasya likhami means I am writing of the article. You want to say I am writing the article. That object does. Aham lekham likhami. Directly. What is the word for with husband? So in order to lekham likhami.
Lekham likhami.
Satyam. Aham mama shwanasya shushrulayam. No, you have to be very, very clear of the sounds. Arnadi.
Shushrushalayam, sorry. Wrong spelling.
Satyam, gachami.
Is the sentence okay?
Yes, Satyam. Shwanasya shushrushalayam. Chikitsalayam.
I missed the show.
Satyam. Aham Ramanasya ashrama. So Sridharji, you have put an extra ma there. So you have said ashramamam. Ashrama. So again, so this is where also we talk of the yogic benefit of Sanskrit. It is like you have to in your consciousness hold what is core and what is added on. So, ashrama is the core word. Ashrama. And what are you adding? You're adding So ashrama ashramam. Astu. Aham nowhere. Shantiji, nowhere na bhavati. Nowhere. If right now you want to say it there, then aham nowheream gachami if you want to. But
can we also say aham na gachami?
Avashyam.
So aham public granthalaya gachami. Can it be aham sarvajanika?
You can't say granthalaya.
Sarvajanika granthalayam gachami.
Uttamam. Sudhaji, music class will become aham.
So will it be Sangeeta Kakshayam or it will be Sangeetasya Kakshayam?
What is the root word? So immediately what you need to do is find out what is the root word. Kaksha, what is the root word there? Kaksha is the root word. So to the root word you have to add, if it's the destination, you have to add the Kaksham, yeah. So if you do
Sangeeta will be Sangeeta or Sangeetasya?
So it depends. If you're doing a samasta padam, then Sangeeta Kaksham. If you teach them separately, then you have to say Sangeetasya Kaksham Gachami. Astu. So you have to constantly hold the words and know their interrelationships. Aham daughterasya griham gachami. Uttama. Aham sangeetam shravanasya gachami. Sangeetam Shravanar. So Shravanasya means of listening.
Shravanena?
No. You are saying I'm going to listen or I'm going for listening. The moment
auditorium gachami.
Sangeeta Shalam in a sense.
Sangeeta Shravanartham.
Uttamam.
Can you say Shravanaya?
Uttamam. Upahara grihe mahanasam. Upahara, you have put a Upahara grihaya. What is that? Grihaya. Srinivasanji.
What is the difference between Sharanartham and Sharanarthaya?
Shravanartham.
Shravanartham and Shravanarthaya.
So Shravanartham is the shortcut. It's the equivalent of the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Kim Artham, for what purpose? For what purpose? For the purpose of listening. Shravanaya is the direct declension of vibhakti rupam asti tatra. Kimartam gacchati Shravanaya. So vibhakti rupam asti tatra. It's the dative. Chaturthi vibhakti asti tatra. But, and if you're doing vibhakti rupam, tatra akaranta pullinga will have a Shravanaya. Akaranta napunsaka linga will become, Shravanam is napunsaka lingam. So Shravanam, Shravanaya. Anandaha, Anandaya. Okay. Then akaranta shabdam, aham akaranta shabda kopi, aham Geetartham. So Geeta yai gachami. For. So the moment is akara, you have to be. So you have to do this calculation. What is the word ending? So when you encounter, basically this would help if I say that yada ekam shabdam pashyati Sanskrite. When you're looking at a noun, sarvanama pashyati, tada you have to ask yourself, what is the ending? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. What is the ending of this word? Because depending on the ending, all the vibhaktis will follow. The second question is vibhakti, ka vibhakti asti. The third question is what is the number? Or maybe the second question would be what is the number? First question is what is the ending? Second question is what is the number? Singular asti, dual asti, plural asti. Tritiya asti, that kim vachanam tatra. Third one is tatra ka vibhakti, which declension, which case asti. Aham restaurantasya kitchenam gacchami uttamam. Okay, so let's just continue with the things we have here. Astu, was this okay? We've done with aham. Can we do one more? We'll do one more with vayam. Okay, vayam and vayam kim bhavishyati gacchami or anya eka dhatu. Anya eka dhatu khadamaha. Vayam kim khadama dinner ratri bhojana kalaha abhavat. Kim khadanti. Tari ekta, this is the real prashna. Bhavantaha adya grihe ratri bhojane kim khadanti.
Sanskritam api khadanti.
Sanskritam api kha vayam. So I am asking you, bhavantaha kim khadanti bahuvachane. Tari uttaram will be
Khadamaha.
Uttamam. Vayam khadamaha. Tari, everybody please try. Please try to answer this. Kim khadanti. Vayam khich. It's okay. So atreva, Prantiji. So this is where with Sanskrit you really, why is it Sanskritam? Because it demands your attention with every single sound that you're putting in there. So the moment you say vayam, okay, it's a plural, first person, so moment, everybody, could you just mute everybody, Sundar? So when you're saying, then the question is that what is khichdi in your sentence? So you say khadamaha is the verb. Vayam. So moment you have the subject vayam, verb you have to connect. So by default connect those two first. So vayam and atra khadamaha. Prashna asti kim khadamaha. Yada prashna kim bhavati tasya uttaram sarvada dvitiya vibhaktyam bhavishyati. Kim khadamaha khichdi. Khichdi neutral rupa asti, not the neutral rupam asti. It's a root form. The moment vibhakti rupam agachati, dvitiya vibhakti agachati, then what will it be? Khichdim uttamam. So when you are making a sentence in Sanskrit, you really have to do this pause. It's a very mindful exercise. Prati shabdena saha purna chetana sahita vakya rachanam avashyakam asti. Astu. Tari vayam khichdim khadamaha uttamam. Vayam ratri bhojane alpahar. Arunati alpahar na bhavishyati. Punarapi. Alpahara tu na bhavishyati eva. So what would you have to say? If you want to make that complete, Ratri bhojane, first of all, will be one word. Ratri bhojane, then alpahar na bhavishati. Because the root form, first of all, is alpahara. And then you have to make that into a object. Tari kim bhavishati tatra?
Alpaharam.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Vayam ratri bhojane kim alpaharam? Kam alpaharam. Menu kim asti?
Khichdi, annam, chapatim.
Uttamam. So that's what I want you to say that a little more. Tari abhyasah bhavishati. Astu.
Khichdi will be Dvitiya.
Astu, one second. Sudhadi. If you look at Sudhadi's sentence, Vayam. So the moment I said, you have the subject nirdharitam asti. Kaha karoti Vayam. Tatra. The moment you have the subject, you have to think of the verb. If then. Sanskrit is sarvatha like programming. If this, then that. If this, then that. Okay. So if Vayam, then verb will be Khada.
Maha.
Khadamaha. Uttamam.
Khadamaha.
Uttamam. Kim khadamaha? Halani khadamaha. Astu. Khichdim. Uttamam. Vayam pongalam khadamaha. Uttamam. Vayam ashtavadane idlim dosam chatniyam. Chatnim. See, the moola rupam is chatni. So you just have to add a to that. So chutney will become
Chatnini.
Chatnim.
Nim.
Yam navachakam. Because it's an ikara, it's a dirgha ikara anta padam.
Okay. Got it.
Chatni, so chatnim.
Chatnim. Okay.
There is scope for adding extra sounds. Extra sound. So Sanskritam, why was I saying that it promotes spontaneously rita chit, the right mind, because there is no scope for extra. Kutrapi extra na bhavitum arhati. It has to be right. Ataha subconsciously trains the mind to let go of any ambiguity. Tatra. Prashun. Vayam rotim dalam sabjim cha khadamah. Uttamam. Vayam kadal phalam. Oh, kadali phalam. Sorry. Kadali phalam dugdham cha khadamah. Uttamam. Vayam phalani annani eva khadama. Uttamam. Vayam rotini kim asti? Rotim. Uttamam. Rotim phalani khadam. Uttamam. Vayam chan kim asti? Pibitum. So again, Raghavanji. So the moment you're starting with Vayam, Gachanti to na bhavati. So you have to make that connection very clear. So Vayam phalani khadaha. Dashima. You've said Vayam phalani khadaha. Vayam roti kaha. Annani, supani, ityadin khadamaha. Uttamam. Vayam pratidinam veda parayanam shranaya na bhavati. Shravanaya. Okay. So the verb shru becomes shrinoti, but as a noun it becomes shravanam. Like bhuj becomes bhojanam. Kr becomes karanam. Okay. So the nam indicates making the root verb into a noun. Nam. So shravanaya tatra gacchamaha. Uttamam.
Chutney or khichdi is ikaranta strilingi or napusak, neutral?
It really is anybody's call there, because ikara there. I would think strilingas. I don't know if there is.
Then won't it become khichdi ni or chutney ni, because
naima. So the ni is only when you say it possesses something. Like guni is one who possesses. So the ending is gunin. Then the feminine becomes gunini. So khichdi, what is possessing khichdi? Khichdi means something is possessing khichid. Is khichdi.
No, vayam khichidini khadamaha.
No, why khichidini?
Dvitiya plural, it's object, isn't it?
Satyam, but why ni? Why are you adding that extra ni?
I have another word with me which is vari, varini, varini, and dadhi, dadhini, dadhini.
Satyam.
So dadhi is ekvachan, dadhini is dvivachan, and dadhini is bahuvachan.
But the word is itself khichdi, right?
Yeah, so khichdi, khichidini, khichidini.
No, so I think this is more of the Strilinga Shabdam. We'll have to look up because I think khichdi ekam borrowed term asti. I'm not so sure yadi that original.
Then that khichdi would become khichdihi if we take it as
bahuvachanam. But what would you mean by what would you mean by you are having many kinds of khichdi? That's what you would mean.
Okay.
Why
Understood. So
why are you making it a plural?
Okay. So then it is okay. Understood. Vayam khadamaha represents many people are eating, but we are eating only one khichdi, so it is khichdim. Okay. Understood.
Satyam. Praveenji is saying, what is the difference between khadamaha and khadanti? So khadamaha is vayam. The subject is we. First person plural. Prathama uttama purushasya bahuvachanam. Vayam. Khadamaha. Khadanti prathama purushasya bahuvachanam. It's a third person plural or second person formal plural. So te khadanti for a masculine. Taha khadanti strilinge. Tani khadanti. Tani mitrani khadanti. Napunsakalinge. If you have it with the second person formal case, then tatra bhavantaha pullinge khadanti, bhavatyaha khadanti strilinge. But vayam khadamaha. Astu Praveenji. Vayam rotim sabjim khadama, vayam roti vyanjanam cha khadama uttamam. Phalani plural asti. Satyam. Vayam khira ma. Umaji, tatra khira na bhaviti. You will have to make it into an object. So like I said, even if it's a foreign word or whatever, if it's a different word, so khiram, khanam, cha khadama.
So thank you so much. So I just, okay, vayam, khiram, evam, khanam, khadamaha.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So evam in Sanskrit is, you can use it in the sense of and, but evam is also very often used in the sense of like this. Evam kurvantu, do like this. Evam vadantu. So the cha is more commonly used for the sense of and.
Okay, thank you.
Evam api doshaha nasti tatra. Vayam alpa bhojanam. Vasanti ji, that alpa bhojanam ekam padam bhavishati. Astu. Vayam annam khichdim rotim dalam phalani cha khadama uttamam. Vayam chapati ke saath chicken kareem khadama uttamam. Chapatim or chapati ke saath. Chapati ke saath will be tritiya vibhakti. Chapatya strilinga ikaranta strilinga asti. Chapatya chickenam kareem khadamaha or chickenasya kareem. That is the correct relationship between them. Or chicken kareem khadamaha or chickenasya kareem khadamaha.
Will it chickenasya again is singular, right?
Satyam.
So for plural it will be chickanam.
But when you sing in the plural, it means many kinds of chicken.
Yeah.
Here it is a generic term of chicken as a generic term. So you would say chickenasya kareem.
Okay.
Astu. It's 10:15 in the morning. You're making me hungry. Astu. Vannam khadama.
How do you say aham nothing khadam?
Aham kimmapina. Kimmapina. So last time Shanti ji had said, so nowhere kutrapi na.
No.
Kutrapi na. Aham kutrapi na gachami. Ramadi. Vayam dehi.
Dahi.
Oh, dahi, sorry. Dahi mathanam khadama. Okay, khadamah.
I know, it didn't come. That
I know.
next
Would you like to say your sentence?
Vayam dahi bhatam khadamah.
Bhatam, uttamam. Dadhi bhatam khadamah. Dadhyannam, that's the Sanskrit.
Dadhyodanam.
Vayam haritakam khadamah, uttamam. Vayam annam khadamah, uttamam. We have fruits and milk. Will I have to say phalam khadamah cha dugdham pibamah astu or phalam cha dugdham khadamah? Phalam khadamah dugdham cha pibamah if you want to be very specific. But if you just want to use khadamah in the larger sense of how you are having it together, you can say together. Chalati. Astu phalani dugdham cha uttamam. Kshiram uttamam. Noodlesam khadama uttamam. Astu uttamam. Laddodum is laddukam. Astu. So let's just look at the verbs. Atra ekavaram quickly. I'll go through this one. So asti nasti. Then this one is clear. So one of the important things to mention about the atra. Kutra, atra, tatra, anyatra, ekaha vishaya asya tatra rupa bhedaha na bhavati. It's an avyaya padam. Nama tatra kadapi anya rupam na bhavati. Kutra will never become kutram or kutrena. Sarvada kutra eva bhavati. It will always remain kutra. Similarly, atra, tatra. There is no vibhakti around these words. They're known as avyaya padam. Means indeclinables. Astu. So kutra
Eva means the same.
Eva means only.
Only, all right.
And it's an emphasis word. Okay. What is nowhere? Kutrapi na. It's na. Kutrapi na.
And what is nothing? Pinnam.
Kimmapina.
Kimmapina.
Kutrapi na implies nowhere. Or you can also say na kutrapi. Aham na kutrapi gacchami.
Okay.
Aham na kimapi khadami or kimapi na khadami. Order bahu bhedam na bhavati. It goes with your personal joke, whichever you feel like tatra.
Okay. Na is more easier.
Kim?
Na is more easier.
No, either way there is a na, but whether you want to put the na kutrapi gacchami or kutrapi na gacchami, swatantra tatra nirnayaha.
Yeah.
Pratyekasya. Astu. And sometimes you can play with it yada tatra shlokam rachayanti, tada na kutrapi or kutrapi na will make a difference because meter bhinnam bhavati tatra, chanda bheda bhavati. So anyatra sarvatra ekatra. Artha spashtam asti na atra sarvam. Etat shlokam jananti, shlokam smaranti. Amantram aksharam nasti. Vadantu ekavaram.
No.
Let's do it with the rhythm, with the Sangeeta Sangeetam. Sorry. Amantramaksharam nasti. इदानीम् एकवारं सर्वे अपि म्यूट् कुर्वन्तु स्वस्वस्थाने वदन्तु अहम् उच्चैः वदामि अहं विरमामि अनन्तरं मदनन्तरं कथयन्तु ओके सो रिपीट आफ्टर अमन्त्रमक्षरं नास्ति
अमन्त्रम् अक्षरं नास्ति
म्यूट् कुर्वन्तु सो लेट् इट् बी नो चेत् बहु शब्दं भवति यतः रेकॉर्डिंग अपि भवति तत् स्पष्ट उच्चारणार्थं स्पष्टता भवेत् तर्हि अमन्त्रमक्षरं नास्ति
अमन्त्रमक्षरं नास्ति
नास्ति मूलमनौषधम्
नास्ति मूलमनौषधम्
अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति
अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति
योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः
योजकस्तत्र durlabha.
Astu uttamam. So just a few things to notice. Like I have mentioned this, etat purvam api aham avadam, but atra udaharana sahitam vadami. I just tongue tied. Udaharana sahitam vadami. So with an example, mantram aksharam. You see, atra you have the anuswara, but because it is followed by a consonant, tatra it will become an anuswara itself. It will stay that way. Atra you have moolam anaushadham. Because the moolam is followed by an akara, which is a vowel, you will get ma halant. Why? Because it would become one word, moolam anaushadham. The halant would disappear and it would become a full makara tatra. And aushadham, as you can see, anaushadham, at the end tatra, ma halantasi, because it is at the end of the sentence. So you have all the three cases of when do you put an anuswara? Kada makara bhavati. Tari yada anuswara nantaram vyanjanam bhavati. Tatra anuswara tishtati. Yada kim vadama atra swara agachati. Tada ma halant bhavati. Ante api tada ma halant bhavati. Yes. Just wanted to let you know that I have access to the site but not getting the email. If you can place the instruction, aham karishyami. Could you show the shloka? We can write. We can note. Can you not see the shloka?
Yes, we can see.
Vidur Mahodaya, Bhavan, Uncle Bhavan Kutaha, it's there on the PPTs.
We are able to see.
Okay. Seen.
Amam, PPT asti tatra.
PPT.
The fifth lecture. Panchama bhashanam asti tatra. Vargasya. Astu. And the artha saralam asti because a mantram aksharam nasti. There is a mantram. So mantram, this is again an interesting mind thing because they are working on double negatives. So a mantram aksharam nasti. There is no letter that is not a mantra, which means every letter is a mantra. Anantram nasti moolam anaushadham. There is no moolam, root, that is non-medicinal. Ityukte sarvam api moolam tatra aushadha rupam asti. Ayogyaha purusho nasti. Ayogyaha purushaha sandhi asti tatra. Ayogyaha purushaha na asti nasti. So there is no person who is incapable. Then the question is, then why is there so much problem? Why is there disease? Why are we so unempowered, disempowered? Why are people apparently not successful in what they try? Because yojakaha tatra durlabha becomes a sandhi, yojakas tatra durlabha. Okay. And why? Because yojakaha tatra durlabha, yojakaha tatra durlabha, yojakas tatra durlabha iti karanam. Okay. And why is there? Because the linker, the person who makes these links is durlabha, is rare. Astu chalatu. Tari samaya abhavat anjali ji api gachati. We can just close with a mantra. So Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti iti. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.